Welcome back to the channel. Today, a journey unfolds, a journey to install Visual Studio Code on a Windows 10 or 11 machine. It's the 2024 edition, fresh off the digital presses. Time to kick things off. Fire up your web browser of choice and navigate to the official Visual Studio Code website, which is code.visualstudio.com. Here, a treasure trove of coding resources await. Once there, spot the Download for Windows button and give it a click. It's a one-way ticket to the software you need. With the download wrapped up, it's time to locate the installer file. It's likely nestled in your Downloads folder. Double-click it, and the installation wizard will spring to life, ready to guide you through the installation process. Next, choose your preferred settings. It's your installation. Make it work for you. After that, click Next. A license agreement will appear. Give it a read, then accept it. Click Next once more, and you're on the home stretch. Now the moment of truth. Click Install and let the installation process begin. It's a short wait for a long-term benefit. With the installation complete, it's time to launch Visual Studio Code. Use the Start menu to search for Visual Studio Code. There it is, ready and waiting. Before wrapping up, take a moment to explore Visual Studio Code. Notice the sidebar on the left, home to the Explorer, source control, extensions, and more. The main editing area sits in the center, and the terminal resides at the bottom. It's a powerful code editor packed with features. And there it is, Visual Studio Code installed on your Windows 10 or 11 machine. Remember this moment, it's the first step of many coding adventures to come. If this tutorial was helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up. Subscribing to the channel will keep you in the loop for more tech tutorials. That's a wrap on this tutorial. Until next time, happy coding!